guys, welcome back to Hobbycorner. I'm back with a new video about making a greeting card. It would be a pop-up card just like this one here. And when we open the card, it would pop up like this. Here I wrote a poem about my father just because it's his birthday tomorrow. And for this, we need some A4 size sheets, a scale, pencil, scissors and Fevicol. You can use Fevistick too, which is convenient for you. First, to make this, we need 3 strips of paper made of different colors. So first, put this light colored sheet aside. From this sheet, I would like to make a 9 by 20 sheet. So 9. First let us go with 20 on the length. And 9 here. And done. So now we need to cut it down. We are done with the sheet of paper. Now put this paper aside and you'll be cutting a 9 by 24 centimeters sheet here. 24 along the length and 9 along the breadth. Now we need to cut this part as well. And now here our 9 by 24 sheet is also done. Put it aside, and the last one, not too much big, you need to measure 11 by 28 centimeters. And so here my line is drawn. Now let me cut this. And now this is our last sheet, which is 28 by 11. So we'll take all our sheets these 3 sheets and now start folding them. First take the smaller one. Here you will fold it horizontally. I will fold it to this side. Just folding it horizontally, and then I will fold it vertically. After folding it vertically, open the or unfold the previous one and bring this right into the middle, and next bring the left to the middle again. It would look like this. After this, what you do is unfold the folds. Yes, now you will press these inside. These 2 folds which are folded outside should be pressed inside, and then bring these 2 folds back. First fold them like this, and then fold these 2 inside, and now you will shape them up and fold these out, and done. Your folding is done. It looks like this. Now fold this right to the left and turn it again. Fold this right to the left. Done. Your first folding is completed. Now you need to put it aside again. After putting it aside, take the next smaller piece. In this piece, you fold it into a half. And then this part you would return just like this and twist to get the other piece too. This is your second folding. Put it aside, and then this is your third folding, the last third piece which you have cut. So these are the 3 foldings you would do. Now put these 3 aside. Take another sheet. Now take this folding, this one which we have folded in this way. Measure it on the light colored sheet. This sheet would contain your matter. And now you need to go a bit back, that is, put the borders for this sheet. This is the size of the paper you cut from the sheet, and now cut it. You need 4 such papers. So here are my 4 such papers, the same sized. Now we will bring our setup back complete. So first you can open this card and stick the one you like, the matter sticking cards. Here I'll use the same sheet again. So mark the points as usual and cut the same sheet on this sheet as well. And now stick these two papers here first. They make a border for this sheet. And the sheet as well. And now on this part here we will be sticking these 4 pieces. Now as all of them are stuck, you can put this sheet aside, and now going to this sheet, first mark something like 5.5, that is the middle. So after marking it, take this sheet, place it at 5.5, glue it up, and check whether it is at 5.5 itself, and then press the folding. Now open it out, do the same on the other side, and done. Now after opening, your pop-up card would be opened like this. Yes, now you will take this card, point it at the center of this, now fold it inwards and mark the upper square. Yes, now fold this side and mark the lower square visible. And now we are going to remove this part and glue this part which you have squared up. Both the parts after gluing, you can put this in the middle again, and now exactly stick this to this, and so it's finally done. Your pop-up card is ready to be used. And here the pop-up card is ready to be used, but thing is there should be some decoration up, right? So let us make something with the left out paper through our cuttings. So here you could write your information, and even here too, if you don't like to write information, you can stick some pictures as well. And so put it aside and take some sheet and first cut according to the length. Here I could use this side. Now make some different pattern with this. and cut along the pattern. And here my design is cut. Now I have to stick it. And done. The greeting is ready. If you want, you can draw something. You can show your art on this page and show your feelings in this page. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest updates.